Hello guys, my name is Luca from AudioTribe YouTube channel, and in this video I will make an unboxing of the JBL BAR 800. I will give you my first impressions, and at the end of this video I will make a sound test. So let's start. First of all, I want to tell you that I have paid about $850 on this soundbar, and I already have the JBL BAR 1000, and I want to see if this is it's better or not. So we find in the box the two rear detachable battery power speakers that now doesn't have the upward firing speakers. Yeah, so left and right. We have a box with some accessories, and now let's take out the main soundbar unit. Here we have the wall brackets for the main unit, and this should be the main soundbar unit. Remember, this is a 5.1.2 channel surround sound system that is able to give us Atmos sound. Well, it's very similar with the JBL BAR 1000. On the back I see they are missing two HDMI in inputs, but the general design is very similar. Okay, and now let's take out the big boy. So here we have the subwoofer that is the same with the JBL BAR 1000 and the JBL BAR 500. It has 300 watts that come from a 10-inch wireless subwoofer. As I said already, it is the same with the JBL BAR 1000 and 500. As you see, this is the wireless woofer, and this is the main soundbar unit. Now I will plug in with the smart TV and take it for a sound test. After that, I will give you my first impressions, and of course I will make a review about it. But very similar. This is just like the JBL BAR 1000, but without the two HDMI inputs. This is the same as the JBL BAR 1000, but doesn't have the upward firing speakers. So for $180 or $150, from 850 to 1,000 or 1,100, I think this is, in my opinion, I think this is better. So we have the HDMI cable, 2 power cords, one for the main unit of the soundbar, the second for the soundbar. This is the newly designed remote control that I really like very much compared to the model from 2020. Okay, and here we have some other wall brackets for the rear speakers. So I will mount it with the TV and I will give you a sound test. Check it out. Feel free to subscribe AudioTribe YouTube channel and please hit that like button. Cheers.